Hello everyone, good morning. Today we have here different kinds of vegetables. Thank you so much for the one who gave this. It's a friend. They gave this to us. We have here the cucumber, the okra, eggplant. The eggplant is so tiny. But this is organic. They said they don't put any fertilizer. Just it grows, that's why it's not that big. But this one is huge. This is patola. This one too. Wow, very big. Big one. So this is patola, and we have cucumber, we have okra. We have a lot of okra. So we're gonna boil or steam them. We have to make eggplant and egg. So have a nice day everyone. Bye for now.